friends, I'm Angie and this is Reimagine to Redesign. Thanks so much for joining me again today. We are going to be making a swag for the deer that's in the arch of my vaulted ceiling in my living area. And I've just got some garland that I've had for a long time, some picks and some things like that. I'm just going to try to put something together. Last year I just put something that was over the deer, over his neck, just something about this big, and it was in an arch over the neck. And this year I kind of want to do something a little different. I want it to kind of swag down and kind of crescendo a little bit, and then go all the way down over close to the corner so that I can light it and have it lighted all the time, because last year we didn't have it lighted. So I'm going to try. We'll see what happens. If you would, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. I did ask you last time to leave a comment about the bow on the mantle. I still haven't decided what to do about that, but anyway, I kind of think I like it just simple, because if the eye has too much to look at, it gets, it's just dizzying. And so I want to kind of keep things a little more flowing. And there's still one thing that my hubby helped me make that's the real showstopper, in my opinion, for the room. And so we will show that. We'll do that in a reveal as soon as I can try to find some little elves to finish up the rest of this house. Okay, all right. So first, I've got some zip ties, and I've got some picks that I want to add in. I've got my wire cutters, my scissors, some floral wire, and this, I like this, and I've had this for several years. I got it at Hobby Lobby. I think I only have one. I thought I had two, but I like them. I like this one because it has two different kind of pine in it. It's got this kind of lighter, a little more furry looking. It's almost got little fuzzy things on the end of it, so it's kind of a different green. And then it's got the whatever this pine is called, your regular pine tree that we always used to have. That was the only kind there was. And so anyway, I'm going to start with this. I also have this that is a swag, and it doesn't have any of that pretty frilly stuff in it, but I'm going to add a lot of things to it. So I'm going to fluff this excuse me, just a little, because I'm going to I'll fluff it again once I hang it over the deer. But I think probably a really good solution for this is going to be to start with this. I had the one that I used last year, maybe in the bottom of that basket. But I really kind of think this one may work really well, because it kind of already does that thing I'm talking about. I want it to go over his neck like it did last year. So I'm just going to kind of bend it like that. And then it gets bigger because it's got these big pine cones right here. So I think what I'll do is use this one to go over his neck. And then I'm going to hook this one into this a little bit. I'm going to move, well, no, I'm not. Okay. All right, let's see. If I want to put this in, I think I'm going to start it right about there. Now, you don't have to use zip ties every time. Sometimes you can just wrap these wires that are actually in the greenery. You can wrap those around it. Every now and then I like to throw in a zip tie just to make sure it's really, really stable. So let's do this for a second and see if I could kind of come in between these really huge, well, they're not huge, but they're kind of large for these two pine cones. Okay, and I am going to, I think for this part I am going to zip tie this, because that's kind of fat right there, and I don't want it to stick out from the wall. So I'm going to go under here and see if I can't get this to, there we go. Okay, I've got them both in there now. So I'm going to have to kind of squeeze them down just a little bit and zip that in there real good. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that off because I'm not going to undo this. When I get it up there, if it's not just like I want it, I'm just going to add more picks. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so we've got this now, and it is doing a little crescendo thing. But I think it needs some more greenery in it because it's not real full. It's pretty, but it's not real full. Let me see what else I've got in here in the little stash. Well, I've got some Real Touch. Here's some Real Touch. I love this stuff. Okay, let me cut these apart because I apparently used this for something else last year. Okay, so let's try these Real Feels. Let's put some of these on here. What are these? Okay. Well, I must have wanted those to lay a certain way because I've got them. It's not torn apart. Oh yeah, no, yeah, it is. It's 2 pieces. Okay, all right, that's good. Okay, now then, and then I've got this one too. So see, I'll have 3. I'll have just a lot of different greeneries in it, and I like that. And then I'm going to add some white to it too because I want the room to flow. And since I have so much flocking right here in the main spot, when you first walk in the house, you're going to get this impression. And so if this is the only white flocked thing in the whole house, it would look odd. So, but it doesn't all have to be white, and it doesn't all have to be green. If you're going to go green and white, and you're heavy on the green, just add a little green into the white, just a little bit. If you're going to go heavy on the white and add in the green, and light on the green, just add in a little green every now and then. So that's kind of how I solve that problem. As long as it kind of, you have a flow, and you can do that without having to go all in with one thing, because I like variety and I like a lot. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to kind of bend those back into shape. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is go ahead. Was there more of that? Yes. I'm going to go ahead and leave this long like this because I think this might actually go almost as far as I need it to go. And if it doesn't, I've got some little picks I can clip on there at the end. I want this to go almost to the end of my arch over there so that I can run electricity to it and light it because I don't like having to get on a stool every time I want to turn on the lights over the deer. And if you use the little fairy lights, that's what you got to do. Or battery operated lights, that's what you've got to do. Okay? So, I'm just kind of fluffing this a little bit because I want to look at it and see. Yeah, I really think that might work. Okay, like I said, if it doesn't, I'll just add some more stuff to the end. Okay, let's take this, and I might cut these off, but I'm going to add a little. Now, I need to put a little over here. It wouldn't look right. It wouldn't look right if I didn't have some of this in this side. So I'm going to cut this off, and I already had one over here cut off. Okay, I'm going to do the tiniest one over here, and I am going to do this with a zip tie. And I'm just going to kind of stick this stem in here where you can't see it very well, and then zip tie this on. Okay. All right. So, and of course right now you can see the zip tie, but the wonderful thing about all this is you just bend it around and you can't see anything. Plus, it's going to be way up there. So, you can't see it. See? You can't see it. Okay, let's put in that other, where's the other piece? Here it is. Okay, this one's a little fuller, and it's got a couple of pine cones in it. So I'm going to take it, move it up just a little bit and put it in here. I think I will hook it to that pretty piece of greenery right there that I told you has kind of got a little fuzzy look to it. I'm going to put that one right there. Where's my... Okay. And I'm just doing this when I do small things like this and stick them in. I like to zip tie them. Sometimes I hot glue them. I don't like to just put the one of the other branches around it. And here's the reason. Because see, as you can tell, I'm not putting lights in here yet. And so if I get up there to put my lights on there and I move one of these and it falls off, well then I got a problem. And I don't like that kind of problem. So I will wind one around it. So see, can't see that zip tie. And this is gonna, as soon as it gets up there, it'll lay over like that. Okay. All right, so let's keep going. We'll do this again. Let me see. This one is kind of, I don't know. I want it to be further apart than it is, but I think I can kind of manipulate it a little bit where it spreads apart a little bit. Okay, and we'll put this one right there, okay? Right there. And you can see that brown, and that's fine because it's a branch. So, it's brown. I'm going to zip tie this on here. Okay. Uh-oh, wrong way. Turn it over. There we go. Whoops. There we go. All right. I'll speed this up a little bit when I'm editing so you don't have to watch every single move. Okay. So that's what we've got so far. All right. I'm going to add just a little bit more right there because as I said, we're going all the way out to right there and maybe beyond. Okay. So I'm going to put, let's see, this is this. Okay. So I'm going to alternate and put this on here now. And I'm going to try to put it right there. I think that'll work. Let me get another zip tie. Okay. And if it's not all hanging just right whenever you get it up on the wall, you can always kind of manipulate these around. If you've got, as long as you've got one of your garlands is the kind that is easy to manipulate, then you'll be able to move it around. Okay, so now we've got this. Here's how it's gonna hang like this. Okay, might put a ball or a pick right here to kind of fill that in just a little bit. I need some white. I was gonna put this in here with this, but this is coming out so pretty. I think I'm just gonna add some white picks instead. Just some of the snowy looking stuff like this. I think that's gonna look a lot better than if I put that other vine in there, don't you think?
Can't see it.
I think that's gonna look a lot better. Just little snowy pieces like that. And they still have plenty of those at Hobby Lobby. I've seen them. Okay, so I still have one more piece of greenery. That's the real fill. And you know what? I'm not 100% sure I need to use it really. I think I might wait and see.
Yeah, it's bare right there.
It's bare. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. There's no reason not to make it full and beautiful if you've got the stuff. Uh-oh, wait a minute, something's weird. What's weird? Oh, I don't have it on the, didn't have it on the garland, I just had it on one branch. Okay. Turned it wrong again. There we go, flip it over. All right. Zip that one on there. That sounded funny. No, it's all right. here's what, that feels funny. All right, so here's what we've got. All right, so I'm going to tuck in some white. I might have to twirl this around in there a little bit, but I'm gonna put a little bit of white in there, and then I'm gonna hang it over, and we will look at that. But let me just show you how I would do this white. not how I would, how I am. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick these in here in case I decide I want to move them. These have got long sticks, and I really think they'll be fine like that. These are, I've got two kinds of picks. I've got this one, those are really pretty, and then I've got all these, and these look so much like the actual branch. I think I'm gonna use these. Now sometimes you can buy these and they have little clips on them, but these don't have clips on them. So I'm probably gonna zip tie all of these on here because I don't want those to fall off. These will be real easy to stick in. I'm gonna buy a few more of those because I don't think I have any more of those. All right, so I'm gonna put that in there like that. And I said I was gonna zip tie all of them, but I don't think well, yeah, I think I will. Okay, I'm gonna zip tie this one on here right quick. And I'm gonna do all this, and then we'll come back to the camera and I'll have it over and we'll see what we think about it. Thanks. Hey, I'm over here. Hi. Let's start all over. I'm Angie. Nope, there he is. He's got his swag on. Now, I am going to have some more snow picks, these little snow picks right here. So I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and pick up several more of those because he needs just a little more white to blend in with the rest of the room. But I think he looks good. I like him. Now, we don't put ribbons on bucks at our house. So he's good with just swag. All right, I'm so glad you joined me today. As soon as I can get this room cleaned up, I will show you the whole thing all together and we will reveal our little project that we are most excited about for Christmas. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a like, a comment, anything you'd like to see or like me to explain better, or just you want to share a funny story with me. That would be great. I love to laugh. I love to have a good time, and I love to decorate. Join me again. Thanks.